Hey everybody, Justin with VMP here. Today I want to talk to you about our new Predator gasket set. So Predators have been out on the roads now for 3.5 years. Time flies when you're making a lot of horsepower, right? We are seeing the factory gaskets have a couple of issues. On our cars that we take apart often and test on a lot, they've started to get hard. And Ford says they're one-time use. So I would say that if you've got a low mileage car, maybe it's never been exposed to E85, it's fine to reuse it, but at some point when you are modifying and playing around with the car, you are just gonna need new gaskets. So people do imported blowers, lid swaps, throttle body swaps, things of that nature. We have just created an entire kit that has everything. It's only 99 bucks. If you're not gonna use all the gaskets, I would just put them off to the side. This is FKM 70 material. It is an OEM quality material. Same thing used in our boost lock gaskets. And we're gonna replace, like I said, everything. So we've got 8 runner gaskets here. We've got throttle body gaskets. We actually supply 2 of these. This is the factory Predator Supercharger throttle body gasket, which, by the way, it does get removed if you are porting the Supercharger. And then we've got another gasket here for a very special Predator Supercharger with a larger inlet. And we've actually got a black gasket in there right now. Since these came in, we need to swap it out for one of the red ones. Finally, if you're still using the factory water manifold, we've got a new gasket for that. And oh, I forgot to mention the lid gasket. That's the whole reason I made these gasket kit. Ford wants like $60, $70 for just this. I figured, hey, let's just make a whole set. That's pretty much it. We've got the link below in the description. You can check these out on our website. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.